jigs back down to that point. We're gonna start right up here, and we're gonna work our way right back down to it. Little fish everywhere, so we haven't seen many fish.
Okay.
Got a bottom at that point.
Huh?
Got a bottom at that point.
Where?
That's what we're going to.
Sitting right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For the side of this crawl.
Bandito bug.
What did you want to go on? You want to go on up through there?
I got to put it on this point.
Okay. You want
That
to
we're
fish?
going to.
Okay. You want to fish it then?
I thought you said that's where we're going.
I thought we'd go back here. We never fished none of that. You had your crankbait on and your spinner bait and all that stuff. We didn't really fish this with anything. Where's all those fish right here? Right through there.
Okay.
That's where I thought about going back. Remember when we said we were gonna leave fish to find fish? We hadn't fished any of it with a worm. Now if you want to fish this back through, we can.
So we just go over there. I'm just going to cast on this log right here where I got that hit.
And then let that bank set for a little bit, and then go back after that bank. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, it's going up here. This one's fine.
This is probably a bad color, but I don't want to throw a jig. What?
I don't think it's bad color.
It's a bad color, trust me.
But don't put it on there.
Well, I don't got any more jigs.
I got a blue jig. I got a blue jig fish jig back there.
Yeah, but okay.
Oh, how did that come off? Well, it came off now, so that with the... I must have got, whenever I was letting my line out,
Fray?
I must have got caught on something down in there.
What's behind you, Dad? Black and blue. Wait, I need to see how heavy these things are. This is a 3/8 ounce. Let's see, black and blue. Let's see, 1/4. Crap.
See, there's where the fish are at. Let's see the thing. That's where the fish are.
Okay.
See, since they messed around with the lake, the fish might have switched a little bit. They might be over here more now.
Well, there's the thing.
Crap.
I'm sure cutting those pine trees changed the pH level of the lake.
About have to. About have to, Jake. Okay. I'm at a complete loss of what to do.
I'm not. Stick with one jig. Well, we had.
Yeah, but last year, that was not what caught, the most fish, though.
You
See-
guys are fishing in the fall.
Yeah, but still. Even before that, that still didn't catch the, most amount of fish here.
But Wacky Horn did. I caught probably the most amount of fish I've ever caught here. One time on a Wacky rig.
Yep.
They were burning up too on those crawls at one time.
Yeah. And I don't know if that's not a bad thing right now.
Yeah, I know. It's basically what I had on. That tore that side off. Did I really just do that? I should have.
I think we just slow down, fish the wacky down this cove right here. And we'll pick up some fish.
I wonder if the crankbait won't work, though.
Well, crankbait may.
Well, I mean, it may, but it's 64 degrees.
Just because it says 64 degrees doesn't mean they're bedding.
So And we didn't even go up in here. Oh, you're all tying on. I'm gonna play. Right here.
Because do you remember what happened last year when it was 64 degrees?
Nope.
They were in like 30 foot of water.
Where? Did you get 30 foot of water in here?
Well, not here,
Over
but
here.
I'm just saying we weren't even fishing here last year because it was turned out so poor.
Well, they wouldn't open it up.
And that too.
You know, I just don't understand why the. It's still April.
Yeah, I mean, it's still early.
Hey, you gotta think about that. May is usually last April, 1st of May. Huh.
I need to get a pair of scissors and keep them on the boat. Well, I know that. I'm just trying to fit stitch a jig up right. Alright, that's uneven enough.
Dingers.
I just wish we had a big rocky bank, like that back there, some more fish.
Oh, 1 minute, it's full.
I'm gonna try to go up in the stove just a little bit, guys.
There we go. And of course, guess what? I flipped it way too far.
Oh, whoops. I can get my pull out.
What now? I haven't fished anything on the Raptor, guys.
Net.
No, it's not net.
Oh, never mind. I thought I was reeling.
You just drag it way off.
How the heck did that happen?
Hey, put the beans on there, dude.
Yeah. Come on now.
What Where is it?
You see where my line is? Hold on. You got all that junk in the way.
What?
That junk right there. I can break it off.
No. Just gotta get us back out.
What are you fishing with?
I'm fishing with a jig.
Okay, that makes sense.
Cause I saw that, log right there.
This spot to be fishing, don't get me wrong.
And I thought, I casted it over that big log over there. And just flipped it up over. I felt like a 1-2, like little tiny pecks. So I yanked, and I guess, I'm gonna see. How are we hitting bottom there? Oh. Never mind. Hit a stick.